Hi learners! Are you ready to listen and think about a new story today? Today we will be reading our new engagement text and exploring our new decodable reader.
Materials!
Today you will just need your thinking cap. Go ahead and put it on. Here are today's 3 learning targets. I can retell the events from the story, Sam and Nell have a ball. I can read high-frequency words and words that don't play fair. And I can read the decodable text, Sam and Nell have a ball. Here we go.
Transition song.
It's time to hear a story, a story, a story. It's time to hear a story and say what you've learned.
Read aloud.
Listen carefully as I read this week's text. Sam and Nell have a ball. You will hear some words that we've been learning about in our lessons. After I finish reading, I'll ask you some questions about what you've heard. Here we go. The bell rings. It's recess for Sam's class. The kids line up to go outside. On the playground, Sam sees his friend Nell. Sam grabs a ball from the sack of outside toys and yells, "Nell, do you want to play ball with me?" "Sure," says Nell, as she runs toward a grassy area near the wall. Nell yells to Sam, "Pass the ball!" Sam passes the ball to Nell. Nell catches it. Then she turns and stops. "Let's play another game with the ball," Nell says. Nell spins the ball on her pointer finger. Nell is a good spinner, and the ball spins so fast. Sam tries it too, but the ball falls to the ground. That makes Sam and Nell laugh. Sam says, "You should toss the ball at the brick wall. I bet you can hit that small black spot." Nell says, "Okay, I will." Nell throws the ball at the wall and hits the spot. Then Sam grabs the ball and throws it at the wall, and he hits the spot. Nell tells Sam that he is a good ball thrower. Sam tells Nell she is a good ball thrower too. That makes Sam and Nell laugh again. Sam says, "When is the bell?" Just then, the bell rings. Time to go back to class. Nell tosses the ball back to Sam one more time. He puts it back in the outdoor toy sack along with some other stuff. They say goodbye till tomorrow. And then they'll play some more new games with the ball. Sam gets in line with his class and thinks, "Oh, I had a ball with Nell today." I hope you enjoyed this story. Can you retell the events of the story to me? Think about what happened in the beginning, the middle, and then the end.
Question and answer.
Let's think about this story some more together. Where does Sam get the ball from? That's right. He gets it from the sack of outside toys on the playground. How do Sam and Nell feel about each other? How do we know? That's right. Sam and Nell are good friends. We know this because they laugh and play together, and Sam says, I had a ball with Nell at recess today. Excellent work listening so carefully to our story today.
Word work.
Now, let's decode a word together. Take a peek as we tap it out. Buzz. Buzz. Nicely done. What rule have we been talking about during this cycle that applies to the word buzz? Yes, the floss rule. Remember, the floss rule says that if we have a word with one syllable and a short vowel in the middle, and it ends with an S, L, F, or sometimes Z, then we have to double the final letter. So if we look at the word buzz, we see the short vowel U, Since there's a Z, we double it. We are going to keep our eyes wide open, looking for words that follow this rule.
Read aloud.
It's time to read a book together. You are going to be going on a word hunt today. I want you to be looking for words that follow the floss rule. When you see one, go ahead and touch your nose. These words are words with one syllable and a short vowel in the middle, and they end with S, L, F, or Z. Are you ready to go on a word hunt? Sam and Nell had a ball. Do you notice any floss words on this page? The name Nell and ball. Nell yelled, "Pass the ball!" What floss words did you spot on this page? You've got it. There were so many. Nell, yelled, pass, and ball. The word yelled has a suffix ed at the end. If you cover up that ed, the word yell follows the floss rule. So that means the word yelled does too. Nell could spin the ball fast. Then the ball fell. What did you find? Nell, ball, the word ball again, and fell. Toss the ball at the wall, said Sam. Did you spot 3 floss words? Toss, ball, and wall. I will, said Nell. She hit a small spot on the wall. Then Sam hit the spot. What words did you spot? Will, the name Nell, small, and wall. When is the bell? Said Sam. Just one. Bell. The bell rang. Sam and Nell got all the stuff. Back to class. How many floss words did you spot on this page? That's right. Bell, Nell, and stuff. Great job looking for those words that follow the floss rule.
Closing reflection.
Wow, wonderful job. What tools did you use today to read Sam and Nell have a ball? you looked for words that followed that floss rule. Remember, it says that when a single syllable word has a short vowel and ends in an F, L, S, or sometimes Z, you have to double that final letter. Woo! I look forward to doing some more practice with you during our next lesson.